To apply for a Santander business loan, follow these steps. First, determine your business needs and the loan amount required, considering factors such as cash flow, expenses, and growth plans. Check your business eligibility for a Santander loan, ensuring you meet the minimum requirements, including business age, revenue, and credit score. Next, gather necessary documents, including financial statements, tax returns, and business registration documents. Review Santander's loan options, such as term loans, lines of credit, and commercial mortgages, and choose the one that best fits your business needs. Visit the Santander website or visit a branch to start the application process. Fill out the online application form or work with a Santander representative to complete the application. Provide the required documents and information, and review the loan terms and conditions carefully before submitting the application. Santander will review your application, and you may be required to provide additional information or attend an interview. Once approved, review and sign the loan agreement, and receive the loan funds. Repay the loan according to the agreed terms, making timely payments to avoid late fees and penalties. It is essential to carefully review the loan terms and conditions, including interest rates, fees, and repayment terms, to ensure you understand your obligations. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor to determine the best loan option for your business. By following these steps, you can successfully apply for a Santander business loan and access the funds needed to grow and develop your business.